Webcasting at polling station. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline rules law shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the need of having webcasting at polling station, cite the method of placing of the camera, illustrate what should be webcasted. Meaning of webcasting. Webcasting simply means live streaming of video on the internet. Any video camera, including a webcam, capable of being connected to the internet can be used for webcasting. Webcasting in polling station will be restricted for the monitoring by the election machinery to prevent vitiation of the poll process. Purpose of webcasting. The purpose of webcasting is to make the polling process transparent, to keep a check on illegal activities such as booth capturing, money distribution, and bogus voting, to bringing about the complete transparency, to spread awareness to participate in the free and fair elections. Generally, they are used in critical polling stations. The personnel engaged in webcasting should not belong to any political party and should not be known sympathizers or supporters or close relatives of any of the contesting candidates or any of the leaders of any political party, or should not have been hired by any political party or contesting candidates. The district election officer or the returning officer shall give ID card to these personnel. These personnel can visit polling station, but they shall not disturb any election procedure. Installation arrangements. A temporary landline or mobile broadband connection is needed. Cameras of appropriate specification or technology should then be provided at polling stations. Provision for sufficient number of 3 sockets in polling station for powering such cameras. Webcasting infrastructure is ready for full testing by P-3 days at all identified locations, including control room facilities. Full rehearsal shall be ensured on P-2 and P-1 days to ensure glitch-free operation on poll day. The camera is placed at sufficient height, say 7 to 8 feet above the ground. The camera should be placed on a stable and steady platform or on a wall mounted stand and kept in fixed position. Cameras shall be placed in such a manner that they can record the poll process and the proceedings of the identification of the electors, application of indelible ink, etc. Initialization of control unit of EVM by the polling officer after satisfactory identification of the elector. Electors visit to voting compartment for casting vote, but without showing cover face of the BU so that secrecy is maintained. Presence of polling agents to the possible extent. Distribution of copies of Form 17C to polling agents. It must be ensured that secrecy of voting is not violated by the camera in any manner. Certificate. The BLO and sector officer concerned should give polling station-wise certificate to the returning officer that webcasting arrangements have been made as specified and are functioning properly. On the basis of this certificate, the district election officer shall furnish a consolidated report to the CO for onward submission to the Commission. The returning officer shall prepare signages of the size 30 inches by 18 inches with color scheme of black letters on fluorescent yellow-black ground having the following text: "You are under web camera CCTV surveillance." The sample is shown on the screen. These signages shall be displayed prominently at multiple locations, inside and outside the polling stations or any other relevant locations. It must be ensured that no advertisement is displayed during the webcasting. A separate control room should be set up to keep a close watch on the webcasting data for the entire polling period. Recording of video in case of webcasting. In all such cases where webcasting is done, the video of the entire day's proceedings must be recorded. The polling station-wise recording of the entire day's proceedings must be kept in the server of the CO. and should be available to the returning officer and observer for reviewing at the time of scrutiny on the next day after the poll, in case of any complaint with respect to that polling station. Retention of recording. The recording shall be kept in videotapes, CDs, pen drives, or other storage devices in the safe custody of DO. These recordings shall be retained till the period of filing of the election petition is over, and in case an election petition is filed, then till the final disposal of the election petition. In this educational video, we have learned about the webcasting at the polling station. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact to the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.